Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news, gist and celebrity gossips happening around. If you're a new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drops. Simi might have broken Falz heart by marrying Adekunle Gold. Who Simi was actually dating was once the most speculated gossips in the entertainment industry. But one thing certain is that we were sure it was between the two lucky men in her life, Falz and Adekunle Gold. Beautiful singer Simi might have broken her best friend's heart with her decision, which led to her marrying her long-time boyfriend Adekunle Gold. Some of us were so sure Simi was going to marry Falz because we saw both of them together often, but surprisingly she got married to Adekunle Gold. What a love triangle that existed between three Nigerian musicians. Judging from how close Falz was to Simi, it's almost certain she might have broken his heart by getting married to Adekunle Gold. Because I remember back then we used to get a lot of songs from Simi and Falz, and their songs together were usually a hit. They were very good for each other and they matched themselves in the music aspect as well. So since Simi got married to Adekunle Gold, we've not seen any musical collaboration between Simi and Falz. And then Falz himself, since he lost Simi, he hasn't been with any woman. We've not seen any leak picture or leak news about him and a strange lady. I hope Falz get through the heartbreak caused by Simi. So guys, I don't know what you think about this. Share your thoughts with me in the comment section below. And if you're a new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when story drops.